Hello, welcome. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson, and currently my stomach is wambly and gurgly, just suddenly off. So I'm not sipping the tea I brought out with me. I was all set to film like 10 different Tàijíquán tips. Currently, I'm thinking very soon this is gonna make my legs move very fast to the restroom. I'm sure I'll be fine after that, but I don't know why, but just all of a sudden it came on, just woof, and I don't know if things are gonna come out towards sky or soil. But it would be easy for me in that moment to say, surrender, cancel, give up, stop, proactive, head to the bathroom, stop doing what I'm doing. But I do feel like the urgency is not now, but soon it will be. So rather than worrying about what's coming, I'm going to try and do my practice present with how I am. And it's uncomfortable, it doesn't feel right, but I also know it'll resolve itself probably very soon. But rather than worrying about, it's going to do this to me, I'm just going to be present with the discomfort, present with the pain, the upsetness of the stomach, which I could be doing with, my low back or my headache or my arthritis. Right? This is not me telling you to ignore pain, but when the pain is not urgent and changing what you're doing is not going to change it, it's just kind of giving in to the worry. You might consider just being present, getting to know the pain, exploring it, feeling it. So that's today's Tàijíquán tip. And to remember, there was a time when you were the biggest pain in your teacher's class, not the pains in your joints and such. So thank you. Enjoy.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán tip is based on tips. Thank you.